Hi guys, I'm Mark.
I'm Penny.
And we are the Oyster Boys, and we're back again for another beer review.
I know. Although it is a homebrew, but it's not one we've made.
No, it's not. It's one that we were given by a friend of ours, our friend Mark. This is another one of the Grainfather kits, isn't it? So this is the Orion Haze.
Look at the effort that's gone into that.
I know, beautiful
He's printed
labels.
the sticker off.
Fully AI'd it.
Put it off.
So we've already made the blackened stout.
Yeah.
And the clean cut pills. So this is
if they want to see the unboxing,
click here.
Yeah.
Down there. Really good kits, actually.
Yep.
Absolutely bosh. This is the Hazy Pale Ale version, 5.4%, 30 IBUs, 440ml in here.
Ooh.
But let's get it in a glass.
Yeah.
And see what it's like.
I'm excited.
We haven't got a canning machine. We're not that posh. If anyone's wants to donate one. Imagine if it came out and it was like brown. I've poured that terribly, haven't I?
Oh,
You've probably done a better job, haven't you? I've done an awful job at this. It's a hazy pale, isn't it? Mine's like the Czech.
Hazy head.
Mine's like the Czech version of, of how you do it. You got a half pint head in it.
Don't you hate that when you go to the bars and you're abroad and stuff like that? I know obviously there's a lot of flavour.
It's the style and how they're meant to be poured and stuff, isn't it? But not what I was intending on doing. But I would say that is a nice colour, though.
I know, he's done really well, hasn't he? To
package it.
That's what I mean, to package it, get it here, no oxidation and stuff like that.
No.
Fair play to him. It's got that lovely yellowy glow as well that we expect from the thing. Nice tight white head.
Tight white head,
yours,
pillowy, cloudy. Look at that. I reckon it looks really nice, actually.
Yeah.
I'll give that a 9.
Yeah, 9? Yeah,
yeah.
100%. I'll match it.
Probably would have got a 10 if I'd have bought it better.
Maybe.
I can smell it already, though.
Okay.
Can you?
So we've got 100 grams of Citra and 100 grams of Amarillo.
Yep.
So it's quite a, 200 grams is quite a
sizable chunk.
Yeah, for your hops, yeah.
I think so. I'm going to go in and put my nose in it. Yeah. It's like, it's fresh and zingy, but also like pithy as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, definitely.
I've got a bit on my nose now.
That's such a lovely day for it as well, isn't it? I mean, to be fair, it was a little bit of cloud before, but it's gone now and the sun's back shining. So, I mean, for me, this is like the perfect temperature when it's beaten with sun. It's not too hot and there's just a nice breeze.
Nice cool breeze, yeah.
To take it off as well.
Hi in Lanzarote.
I've never been.
Hot and windy, mate.
Hot and windy?
Hot and windy, yeah.
That's me after the curry, hot and windy.
But no, that smells really good. It smells like, so it's a bit like zesty, real fruit, but like zippy and zingy and pithy and a bit sherbety.
So, and the good thing is that sometimes you get the graininess that comes through. Like, not a massive fan of that. When you get some of the maltiness, graininess. The maltiness comes through.
You don't like smelling the grain.
It's not for me. When you can taste that sort of crystal malt, the taste and smell like crystal malt sort of thing. I prefer just to get the, like you say, the fruitiness from the hops rather than that sweetness, and I don't get any of that. So yeah, I'm going to give it a 9.5.
I'm going to give it a 9.5 as well, mate. It is smelling good. I'm really looking forward to tasting it because these have been in my fridge for a couple of weeks because we've just not managed to get together to try it, and it's every time we open the drawer of the fridge, it's like, oh, there it is, just looking at me.
And it's that label, this big and bright.
Yeah.
Drink me.
Orange on it, pineapple, some flowers. It's like, yeah, right. Cheers.
Cool. Cheers.
I'd drink that all day. That's nice.
It's a nice balance between the sweetness and hotness with the bitterness as well, isn't it?
It says on the front that it's 30 IBUs, but it doesn't feel like it's like that. I don't think it feels or tastes as if it's that bitter. I suspect most of the those IBUs will be racked up in the whirlpool where I never find that you actually get them as much as you just should do.
I get a bit. I can see why it's 30 IBU.
You reckon?
Personally, yeah. Like, mate, I can. There is a bit of bitterness there for me.
Bit of a tang on the tongue.
Yes.
It's
so,
nice, though.
yeah,
really good.
Yeah, it's really tasty. And sometimes you get those bitterness, but it's because obviously I'm really not a massive fan of West Coast. I think it's like too far. But sometimes when you get nice, but it's almost that bitterness is really thirst quenching, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
So, which is what I get from this.
I would say as well, it's like the mouthfeel on the beer is really good because it's got like oats in there as well, and you can tell when you're drinking it because it does feel like so soft in your mouth, doesn't it? It's really just smooth.
Yeah.
And even though it was like really fizzed up quite a bit, I'll just put these over here. Even though it fizzed up quite a bit while I was pouring it, it doesn't taste like it's super overcarbonated.
No.
Like it's the mouthfeel's just really soft and smooth and pillowy. It's nice.
So what are we going to give it?
I'll give it a 9.5.
Okay, I'm going to give it an 8.5.
Yeah.
And the reason why it's not made it to 9 is because although the bitterness is nice, it's just, for me, it's a little bit too high.
Yeah.
But it's supposed to be like that.
Price-wise.
So it's personal preference.
Yeah.
Price-wise.
It was. So the other two kits that we'd done were $29.99. That was for the lager and the stout. And when we were reviewing it, we said, oh, well, the other ones will be different prices. So this one's $39.99.
25% more.
25% more, but it has got 200 grams of hops.
That's a lot of hops.
Which is a lot.
Yeah.
Like, and
we've done kits with 200 grams of hops in, and it's been getting up to like the £1.50, £1.70 mark.
Yeah, so this one works out about £1.12 a pint. And obviously within that as well, you're getting your a little sachet of like kettle findings as well. You know, everything's weighed out and ready. Instructions are really good. Same as the other ones that we've seen. So I think $39.99 and working it back £1.12 a pint for everything as easy as it is, and also the 200 grams of hops in it. Yeah, I think that's a 9.
Bargain. Yeah, 9. Gonna match it as well. Yeah, yeah. Because that's the big thing, really, isn't it? And also, obviously, the price of grain as well. That's the big one, isn't it? So, sessionability. So, what strength were these?
So this is 5.2 or 5.4. It's 5.4. 5.4%.
Okay.
And I reckon probably 5 on these. 5 of these, or 6. I'm gonna say 6.
Yeah.
Yeah, 6.
I would say 3 for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. I really like it. Just that style. I could only have so much. But if I was spicy food, hot and windy.
Oh yeah.
That was a bit of a weak burp, that wasn't
it? Interesting about this as well. This one's only a 30-minute boil.
Right. Okay.
So you will have like a hop stand at the end or a whirlpool, which will add some time on at the back end. But it's not like, sometimes if I'm like, I brew a lot of hazies and big pale ones, and sometimes I'll have like a 60-minute boil and a half an hour hop stand. And by the time you've done like a 60-minute mash and then a mash out, all your temperature gone through, it's like the day's just getting longer and longer and longer. Yeah. So 30-minute boil really takes a big chunk out of that time.
Energy prices as well.
Oh, exactly. Yeah, cost of living.
Everything's gone up. Yeah.
All the coal. So yeah, but yeah, 6 on sessionability for me.
Yeah.
But I think it's an absolutely solid beer.
Yeah.
And absolutely mega work by Mark for making that and packaging it up so well, because I think I had a hazy pale. I don't know if you saw a picture I put in a group chat the other week that you never paid attention to, which is basically a hazy pale that I'd had in a keg in the shed for ages, and it was purple. Oh, because it oxidised that much. I must have like done something wrong when I was doing it. I thought, I'd forgotten what the keg was, and I was like, I wonder what this is. And I poured it. I'll put a picture on the screen. Purple pint.
Did you try it?
No. No, it would have been like.
I've still got that wheat beer up in my attic. For 8 years.
God. No, let's not even entertain that idea, mate.
What?
I've not tried it.
No, probably like.
No, but this one's solid beer. Really well done, Mark. Thank you very much for giving us
sharing it and putting so much effort into the cans, even giving us the stickers on it as well.
Yeah, loving your work, mate. So anyway, here is the Oyster score for this beer. I'll put links in the description down below and up there if you want to go and buy this kit, because it is mega. All these ones that we've done, these are mega. And
where can they get the kit from? Just on their website?
Most major retailers now sell them. So you can buy them directly from Grainfather, or you can get them from the Montmiller, or other retailers are available as well.
Cool.
Yeah.
There we go.
So,
nice one.
Did I do the Oyster store? I'll just put it back up again, and then down, and then up, and then down. Get rid of it quickly. So. Anyway, smash a like, hit subscribe. Catch you on the next one.
Cool.
Oysters out.